Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today on my channel I will be taking you with me to my kitchen where I will be preparing tilapia grilled fish, plantain, and I'll also garnish it with sweet peppers. Yeah, it will be interesting. Join me. Now, this is the tilapia fish. It has been washed, cleaned, and is ready to be seasoned. And also this is my peppers, my onion, my seasoning cube, and scotch bonnet, which I'll be using. I love peppers. Also I've got ginger garlic, my curry thyme, my rapeseed oil, my salt to taste. Also, this is my kebab suya powder, which I'll be adding to my blended peppers to give it a beautiful aroma and a fantastic taste. You love it. I will also be serving the tilapia grilled yummy fish with fried plantain. I'm sure some of you have seen fried plantain before, or some of you know about plantain. You've seen plantain. It is delicious. Now I'm going to be blending my peppers, my ginger, my garlic, my onion. I will also be adding a scoop of my kebab suya mix into the blended peppers so that it can mix properly to give me that taste I want for my tilapia grilled fish. Now I will be blending the peppers. As you can see, the pepper is blending, and I will also quickly put my frying pan on my cooker. I'm going to allow my pan to heat up a little bit. Afterwards, add my oil. Then allow the oil to heat up a little bit before adding the blended peppers. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of time to heat. The oil is heated now, so I'm going to be adding the blended peppers. You can see the bubble shows that it is hot and ready to fry. As you can see, the peppers are bubbling on the fire and ready, so I'm going to be adding my seasoning, which is the Maggi cube. I'm going to be adding 2 cubes, and also I will be adding my curry seasoning and also my thyme. You can get curry and thyme in any of the shops. Most Africans use it to help their cooking taste really nice and smell nice. The aroma is fantastic. Yummy. Stir to fry properly and add 1 or 2 pinch of salt depending on your taste, and also allow it to fry a little bit. Now I'm going to cut the fish to allow my seasoning to penetrate inside the fish to allow it to taste properly. You can cut up to 3 lines or 4 lines depending on the size of your fish. This will help you to be able to season it properly, and it will really help your tilapia fish taste really nice. So you turn it to the other side and do the same thing. Cut 2, 3, 4 lines depending on the size of your fish, and then start adding the seasoning, which is the fried sauce. Now ensure that it penetrates all through inside and outside. Ensure that you rub it in properly and allow all the sauce to settle in before placing it on your grill. I will be using my electric grill to make this yummy tilapia fish. You know you can use your oven grill, but I just like using this electric grill because it gives it a smoky, yummy barbecue taste. It's hot and ready, so I'm going to place my fish on it and allow it to grill for some time. Come with me while we go make the sauce I'll be using for my plantain. Now I have tomato, pepper, my rapeseed oil ready, and onion that I have prepped ready to fry. Now I'm going to place my pan on my cooker, allow it to heat up a little bit before adding my oil. I've added my oil is hot and ready, so I'm going to add my onion, allow it to fry a little bit, at least leave it for like 2 minutes, and then add my peppers. Allow the peppers to fry a little bit. I love chili, guys, especially in a weather like ours that is very cold. I like it in my food hot, hot, hot. Please don't copy me. Do what is best for you and your family. Okay, so add my tomatoes also. Allow it to fry for some time before we start adding our seasoning. Now, I will be frying my plantain. As you can see, my plantain has been washed clean and cut ready to fry. I will be using my mini deep fryer to fry this plantain. Now, you can use this deep fryer to fry your fish, your chicken, your sausage, your chips, name it. But the best and healthy way to do all this is use your oven. But sometimes you want to have that crispy taste, just the same way you have it when you get it from the shop. Whenever you feel that way, you want to use your deep fryer, trust me. So this deep fryer is a great deal. If you don't have it, you can go for it. I will now be adding my plantain into the preheated oil and dip it into the hot oil. You can see it's sizzling, it's frying already. It doesn't take time. It will be ready soon. Wow, look at that. It is golden brown. When you see it brown, just know it is ready. Now I'm going to be stirring my tomato sauce. Look at that beautiful color. Isn't that inviting? So I will be adding my seasoning. I'll be adding 1 Maggi cube and also salt to taste. Stir and allow to fry a little bit more. Wow, the tomato sauce for our plantain is ready. The grilled fish is also ready. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful and inviting? Yummy. I have prepped the ingredients I'll be using to garnish my tilapia fish. I've got sweet peppers and onion. My oil is hot and ready. So I'm going to be adding my onion to the hot oil. Allow it to fry a little bit. My onion is fried, so I'll be adding the sweet peppers. Look at that beautiful color. Oh, it looks so nice. I will also be adding my seasoning after I've allowed it to fry a little bit. I will be adding my seasoning, just 1 cube, and a little bit of salt to taste. You want to be careful because you don't want it to be over seasoned. It has to be moderate, okay? Depending on your taste anyway. I'll leave it to cook for a while. Now, as you can see, our sweet peppers is ready. So it is time for me to serve my yummy tilapia fish. Wow! Look at that. Isn't that yummy? Isn't that inviting? It looks delicious, and trust me, you will really enjoy it. You don't need to go to restaurant to have a delicious food like this. You can actually do it in your home and have a great time at home. And you can also have this with juice or any drink of your choice. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have not followed me on my page, don't forget to follow me on my page, support my channel, and also don't forget to comment. Tell me what you think about this yummy, delicious meal you're looking at. Thank you for watching my video. God bless you and bye-bye.